In a week where the Nasdaq hits 2-month lows and tech stocks take an absolute battering, pretty much all consistently in the red at the minute, I'm going to share with you how I've added to some of my positions and how I plan on moving forward in the current volatile market conditions. So let's get straight into it. We deposited a further €150 into the Trading 212 account, and this will be spread across 4 different investments that I made today. So we added €50 to Tesla, as Tesla is down very significantly in the last couple of weeks. So it's great to kind of lower the average on that. And then, of course, as we do every single month, we've added some money into VUSA for the S&P 500, which was €50 also. So not really worried about the price here. I even bought outside of market hours, as I really don't care what price I get in at with the S&P 500. It's just going to be a buy for me consistently. Then, as you can see on screen here, NEO has taken a hit lately with big sell-off after their earnings report. So I've added €25 to that, as they've still actually increased their delivery amounts. So I'm just adding bit by bit to NEO as we go along. Same with Palantir, got another 1.2 shares of that, so I'm up to a very healthy 8.5 shares or something like that. So very happy with my additions and got some very good discounted prices as well. So just a quick little recap of the portfolio. We're sitting at €1,836 portfolio value with a 4.9% return of about €85. Now, this has seen some massive fluctuations even in just the last week here. At one point, we were up to about €130 return, and we've seen a bit of a sell-off in the last few days, but not overly concerning. I've taken advantage of some really good prices. So if we look down at my current holdings now, you'll see we've got just over 3 shares of NEO. I might be looking to add a few more shares of that before the end of this month. We've got 8.5 shares of Palantir, just 0.3 shares of Square. I definitely want to increase this and try and get it up to 1 share pretty soon. And again, 0.2 shares of Tesla. Definitely want to get that up to a place where I'm at 1 share of Tesla. That'd be brilliant. And then my ETFs, I'll be having around 17.5 shares once that market order is executed tomorrow. So overall, very happy with how it's doing. Obviously, the current market conditions are reflecting my portfolio at the minute. I'm down about 6% on my growth stocks, but again, still up 9.2% in my ETFs. So no cause for concern at the minute, and following my strategy week after week, month after month, and I'm very confident that it'll pay a dividend not too far in the future. So how I'm modeling and building out my portfolio is very much in line with how ARK Invest and Cathie Wood are distributing their portfolio at the minute. Now, I'm mainly focused on these 3 areas: artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, and fintech. I haven't done as much research into the other 3 at the minute, but you'll see my portfolio. I've got Palantir for AI, also a bit of Tesla as they're in that space as well. Autonomous vehicles, we've got Tesla and NEO obviously, and then fintech, we've got exposure to Square. So ARK Invest and Cathie Wood are massive on disruptive innovation, and they feel that this is the best space to be in for long-term growth. So what Cathie Wood and ARK Invest are doing in the current market dip is they're doubling down on their high conviction stocks. These are the ones that they truly believe in massive long-term growth, and they're selling off the ones that they're not as high conviction on. So this is essentially what I'm doing too, is just that I don't have any stocks that bought that I wasn't high conviction on. All of my growth stocks are truly high conviction stocks that I plan to hold for many years. So that's a little bit of an update, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new around here, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.